What on
Yeah.
earth is going on with
Where did it go to? Let's see the seasonal first. It went a lot to Bitcoin and the crypto market. So here is the seasonal volatilities. So, we've been through a very tough August, a very tough September. They call it Rectember. And now it's October, October. So seasonally, it moves up in October. And yeah, this is exactly what it did. Kaboom, there it is. Just October, when October came, it just decided to move up, holding very well during this weekend, because weekend is is usually a month for dumping. Even Ethereum is up. This is the weekly against the resistance. Binance is going against the resistance again. And also AVAX and all the major coins. But the big news today is why I think that this season will really work out, with probably around Christmas being the peak, is this. I think people are now excited, right? Everyone is anticipating the launch of the Bitcoin ETF. Let's go here. So there are like 6 coming up. So the SEC delays or extends 4 ETF deadlines by 45 days. This is important, because if they are extended by 45 days, and the last one is mid-October, actually it's supposed to be early November, this means that we could see something that was supposed to be done here is going to probably end around mid-December. That means around mid-September, around until mid-December, there is some good news to be anticipated, right? And ETF will send Bitcoin up, and there's a lot of approval comings, although I don't see Kathy Wood's application there yet. I hope she gets it. And this also agrees with the seasonality that Bitcoin peaks around Christmas. Just nice for that, Ash. Just super, super nice. It's doing what it's supposed to do. And I think now you see this crypto greed and fear. It was extreme fear, and now it's neutral again, because it's like this. Because of this anticipation of an ETF, there's 6 already being filed. I think there'll be more, and there will be a decision latest December. People are kind of, you want to sell, you are selling to buy back. You're not selling to sell, because you know that an ETF approval could send it up higher. And I think now the other thing is this, because an analyst that did the famous stock to flow model, okay, this is called Plan B, he nailed it. He said that at the end of August, Bitcoin will be 47K, check. At the end of September, it will be 43K, check. And basically now he has targets for October, 63K. November is what? I forgot. November, is it 80 something? I forgot that, but he has it around 135K. So I think people are looking at it, and you will see this thing slowly dialing up. And of course, a good Aussie dollar is also good for the Bitcoin people, the Bitcoin people of the world. That's it.
Thank you very much, Shukri. Did you call me Ash, by the way?
Yes.
Don't do that.
Ainsley, Ainsley. That was Ash.
Don't call me Ash. Love Ash, but
yeah, because Ash likes Cardano.
He does like Cardano. He said it's almost like a cult figure.
When it comes to this, I always think about Ash. Let's see Ash's Cardano here. Ash cannot wait for Cardano, right? Ada, right? Ada.
Tell you what, I'll tell you what, Shukri. They had the September. They had this. What are you laughing at? They had the September conference, and it was a complete damn squib. It was absolutely terrible. But give it time, mate. Give it time.
Give it time.
We that to be fair, mate. That to me looks like a better chart than the others, because it's not a resistance; it's on support. That's a buy zone.
It's on support. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So I think the confidence is coming back, and let's see what happens next week. But again, just note that if you sell, and if an ETF is released, it's going to go up again. And there's 6 now being filed. I expect Kathy Wood to file one, and I expect at least Kathy Wood's one to be approved. Although they're very famous one, like Van Eck has gold, right? Well, Van Eck has applied, Valkyrie. There's another one, ProShares. So it's a lot of big ETF companies. I just cannot see it not happening.
I agree with you because there's too much pressure, isn't it?
Yeah.
Too much pressure from people with a lot of money.
Correct.
Yeah. Shukri, I noticed that you actually put the projected numbers up on the screen.
Yeah.
With a tick on it.
Yeah. Check. It means it check.
Happened, mate.
It means it happened. It means it happened. You see what happens in Bitcoin? Let me show you plan B. They have drawn this model for so long. If this model
he is good,
breaks
Ainsley.
down,
I've got to say, Plan
yes.
B is a bit of a king. He's
yeah.
brilliant.
Who is it? Sorry?
Yeah, if this model is wrong, Ainsley, it's like the end of the world for Bitcoin. I mean, we wouldn't be here. Ash wouldn't be even thinking about Cardano anymore. I mean, that's it. We're retired. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this. I mean, let's go home and do something else.
Yeah.
There it is.
Just quickly, Gary. Yes, go the bunnies. And very quickly, the score is 8-all. Panthers and Rabbitohs. Yeah. So for any of the Aussie contingency, the rugby is moving along. It's the rugby league grand final. Sorry, keep going.
Yeah, there it is. Say August check, September check, October. He expects it at 63, November 98, December 135.
Okay. Well.
Yep.
Okay.
And then after that, it's the end of the world. Ask me next year.
After that, it's the end of the world. Are we still aiming for April, Shukri?
Yeah, we are, but we have to go through a end of the world period first.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'm going to bookend you and thanks, Shukri. Thank you very much. That's really good. And